Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech with infant, toddler, youth, and baby gear expert with the Pump Station and Nursery. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to remove the little recline boot from the Diono Radian, because when you're ready to go from rear facing to front facing, this boot is not used anymore. So let's jump right in. To remove the recline boot, we're going to have to turn the car seat upside down. Right underneath the boot, there is a metal latch. We're gonna grab the latch and we're gonna slide it away from the car seat. Once it's unlocked, we're able to simply disconnect it. I'm gonna show you again from a different angle how to remove the boot. Find the metal latch, slide it up to unlock it, push the boot forward, and now you can simply remove. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.